Welcome to Technology Review. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and how it might redefine portable content creation. From innovative features to game-changing possibilities, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be the device that reshapes how we capture life's moments. The evolution of compact cameras. Over the years, compact cameras have transformed from simple point-and-shoot devices into technological marvels. DJI's Osmo Pocket series has been a key player in this evolution. With its unique blend of portability, stabilization, and professional-grade video quality, the Osmo Pocket lineup has set benchmarks for creators and adventurers alike. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to continue this legacy with a bold leap in design and functionality. So, what makes this iteration so exciting? Sleek and portable design for creators on the move. If the leaks are true, the Osmo Pocket 4 will feature a streamlined and ergonomic design tailored for creators on the go. Lightweight and compact, it promises to be an ideal companion for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers. The hallmark of the Osmo series is portability, and the Pocket 4 is expected to take this to new heights. Key design highlights. Foldable mechanism, a first for the series, allowing easy storage and improved mobility. Enhanced grip, rubberized texture for better handling during long shoots. Improved gimbal stabilization, advanced 3-axis stabilization for buttery smooth footage, even in dynamic environments. User-friendly interface and controls. One of DJI's strengths is creating intuitive devices that cater to both professionals and beginners. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a refined interface with the following updates. Larger touchscreen, a higher resolution display for better control and preview. Customizable quick actions. Users can set shortcuts for frequently used settings. Voice commands, hands-free operation for enhanced convenience. Advanced features for modern content creation. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just about portability, it's also about performance. DJI is likely to include cutting-edge features to ensure this device meets the demands of modern creators. Expected features. 8K video capture, industry-leading resolution for stunning clarity and detail. AI tracking 3.0, smart subject tracking with improved precision, even in crowded settings. HDR Pro, enhanced dynamic range for vibrant colors and deeper contrast. Water resistance, built to endure outdoor adventures without the need for additional housing. Wireless audio support, seamless pairing with DJI's wireless microphones or third-party audio devices. Connectivity that stands out. In today's digital age, connectivity is crucial for content creators. DJI understands this and is expected to equip the Osmo Pocket 4 with robust wireless capabilities. Top connectivity features. Wi-Fi 6, faster data transfers, and stable live streaming options. Bluetooth 5.3, reliable connectivity for accessories like remotes and microphones. Seamless cloud upload. Direct uploads to DJI's cloud or other platforms for quick sharing. Battery life and charging improvements. Creators have long sought extended battery life, and the Osmo Pocket 4 might deliver just that. With improved energy efficiency and fast charging, you'll spend less time waiting and more time creating. Battery specs. Battery life. Up to 120 minutes of continuous 8K recording. Charging time, 30 minutes to 80% via USB-C PD. Price and availability. While there's no official word on pricing, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to target an accessible price point, making professional-grade tools available to a wider audience. Industry insiders suggest it might launch during the 2025 spring season, aligning with DJI's tradition of seasonal product rollouts. How the Osmo Pocket 4 compares to competitors. The compact camera market is highly competitive, with brands like GoPro and Insta360 dominating the space. How does the Osmo Pocket 4 stand out? Comparison highlights. Stabilization. DJI's 3-axis gimbal outshines GoPro's hyper-smooth and precision. Resolution. While most competitors cap at 5.7K, the Osmo Pocket 4's rumored 8K gives an edge. AI features. DJI's AI advancements make it ideal for solo creators and vloggers. Why you should be excited. From its rumored specifications to DJI's track record, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises to be a game changer. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an aspiring creator, this device could revolutionize your workflow. Reasons to look forward to the Osmo Pocket 4. Portability without compromise. Cutting-edge video capabilities. Affordable access to professional-grade tools.